How to check your Unocoin wallet balance. Are you guys facing issue to check your Unocoin wallet balance? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To check your Unocoin wallet balance, open the Uno app on your mobile or laptop devices. From the home screen, tap on the wallet option at the bottom. Here you will see two sections, one for your INR wallet and other for your crypto holdings. Your INR wallet balance will be displayed at the top, showing how much your Indian rupees you currently have. Below that, you can also see the balance of each cryptocurrency you own, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, along with your current market value. If you want a detailed view, just tap on any specific wallet and it will show your recent transactions and available balance. This is the easiest way to track your funds and stay updated with your holdings on Unocoin wallet. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna view or check your Unocoin balance. If you guys found this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.